Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the BGMI Partner Title. First, understand the fundamental requirements for joining the program. It is crucial to maintain a consistent and engaging presence across your streaming platforms. Always ensure your content strictly adheres to the game's official community guidelines. This initial step sets the foundation for a successful application process, guiding you toward becoming a recognized partner. To qualify, you must meet specific criteria. Aim for at least 25,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Additionally, maintain an average of 10,000 concurrent viewers during your live streams. You should also upload a minimum of 8 BGMI-related videos every month. Crucially, over 80% of your channel's content must be dedicated to BGMI to demonstrate your commitment. Once you meet the criteria, the next step is to submit your application. Find the official BGMI Partnership Program portal online. Carefully fill out the application form, providing all necessary details accurately. Remember to include direct links to your social media and streaming channels for verification. Always double-check every piece of information before making your final submission to avoid any delays. After submitting, the BGMI team will thoroughly review your application. If successful, you will receive exclusive in-game rewards and official recognition. Partners also gain access to special events and dedicated community support. While awaiting a response, it is important to continue creating high-quality, engaging content. This demonstrates your ongoing dedication and passion for the game and its community.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.